It's been a rough couple of months, but I'm back. I've had a lot of time to think, and I've decided on a couple of changes that I want to discuss with you guys. First, I want to give you an update on the whole cancer thing. I think I might have privated that video since, but if you guys are still wondering, if you guys watched that video while it was up, this is not malignant. It is not cancerous as of now. I do still have to get it checked and whatnot, but I am cancer free. So that's great news, and that's a burden off of my chest. Now for the changes that I want to make on this channel, I think I'm going to change the name to just Rhody rather than it being Rhody Rugs. I will still leave the store name as Rhody Rugs, but I would like to have my channel more variety art oriented. I feel like I've already made every single tutorial that I could make for rug tufting. Other than making a frame, I could just record one and then post it, but after that, there's really not many tutorials that I could post. And sure, I could make a lot more videos of me rug tufting, but I feel like that hasn't really worked well, at the very least for me on YouTube. I end up spending a lot of time recording and not finishing the work fast enough to the point where, sure, I'm making the money from selling the rug, but I'm not really making anything for the time I edit the video. And that takes about like 3 hours. So it just doesn't seem realistic to me for a long-term thing. And I'm not putting down rug tufting. That's not what I'm doing. I will still make rugs, but I want to do other things too. I've been drawing and painting and other things other than rug tufting, and I thoroughly enjoy it. It feels like how I used to back in the day when I used to do all of this stuff, and I think I want to introduce that to the channel as well. I think that would be fun. I think for the people that can't tuft, for the people that maybe have an apartment or don't have a spare room or don't have the room to make these big art pieces and lug them around or sell them, or find local places to sell them at, I feel like drawing or painting is better for you. And I found that to be a pastime that I've been doing recently. So I'd like to hone my craft on painting and whatnot, and then, or drawing, or literally any other art form. And then I think I want to make tutorials on them to show you guys how to do it. And maybe that's not something that you want me to do, but I think that's best for me at this point in time in my life. That is probably where I'm at now. I think this is just going to be an art channel, and I think that's super dope. I think that's super cool. Really inspired by Gox. Like the video that I made a while ago where I did a hand drawing and then I made a rug out of it and then I went on vacation. That type of video was inspired by Gox, and I really like the way that he owns his channel. It's many different art forms, and it's not just physical like drawing and painting and all that. It's literally crafting, like just the videos itself is art. His music choice is art. Like the way that he has his home set up is art. I think that thoroughly inspired me because I want more for myself. So, yeah, I think that's where I'm at. So, I'm not quitting. At the very least, I'll be uploading videos more often, and we'll see where it goes. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.